Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate US Mobile eSIM. So first you just need to go to the usmobile.com, and where you just need to log into your account, or you can just create a new one. Then you have to select a plan type. Here you can find the four types of plan: that unlimited, by the gig, low data, or smartwatch. So for example, I am going to with the unlimited plan. So in unlimited plan you will find two types of subscription that you can purchase. So you can just go with any one of these that are appropriate with you. So I'm going with any of this, like, then click on continue. After that, if you want a SIM card starter kit, so you can just check this box: not needed for most phones which support instant activation on eSIM. Not sure? Try eSIM first. You can order a starter kit later at any time. So it's not necessary to order the SIM card starter kit. Now here is the total payable amount that you have to pay to purchase a US mobile eSIM. So then continue to check out. After that, you will find a checkout page where you can just pay with your credit card or debit card. So they actually only accept this credit card or debit card. Then you can also add some promo code if you have one, or you can enter some referral code. So here you have to enter your card details, then expiry date, then security code, the CVC number, then country, and the zip code, and also you have to add an billing address. After that, you can just check out, and the payable amount will be paid from your credit card or debit card. So after purchasing the eSIM, you will get a activation code and a QR code on your screen. Make sure you do this whole process on your uh, PC or on another mobile device, so you can just scan that QR code with your main device easily. So you just need to go to your device, then you just need to go to settings. If you're an iPhone user, then go to cellular, and you will find add eSIM with a plus button. You can just simply click on it, and it will immediately turn on your camera, and you can just scan that QR code, and after that it will immediately set that QR code, set that eSIM on your device. Or in Android devices, you can just go to the SIM manager in settings, and then you can find the add eSIM option. You can just scan the QR code again, or enter the code manually. Then you can just activate the eSIM on your Android device also. So that's very simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.